Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are watching me for the first time, my name is Peter. So in this channel I provide solution to Excel. So I do Excel training in this channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to be looking at this template. So the owner of this template has one issue. The template has duplicated stores like this. Now the owner wants to add this quantity together, 1 and 11 together, to make it 12 for this column. On the next item code for, okay, this is what you want for each item code. So for this mega plaza, now this should be merged together, these two columns should be merged together, and the quantity also should be added together. So the solution to this is what I'm going to be providing in this channel. All right, so let's go. To start with, we need to copy the column headers, paste it somewhere. We are transposing it. Go to data, click on remove duplicates. To remove duplicates, so 16,289 duplicates values found and removed, 95 unique values remain. Okay, so let's copy the unique values that remain and let's paste it at the end of the data set. We are going to be transposing it. Okay, so what is wrong? Let's copy it again. Why can't we transpose? Let's copy it all over again. Ctrl C. Okay, no, we want to transpose. That's what we want to do. Let's transpose. It has been transposed now. It has been transposed. So this is the unique store names. So let's copy the item code. These are the item code. So now we need to enter our formula. So we're going to be using SUMIF. So we need to select all the headers, unlock it, absolute referencing, comma. So the next one to do is to select the name of the store above our function. So press F4 twice. Press F4 so that you're having your $sign at the middle. All right. So the next one is to select the quantity starting from here. Select all the way like this. All the way, select all the way like this. Do we need to lock this? Yes, let's lock it by the row, by the column. I think should be like this. So your $sign should be behind your reference. All right, so that is how it is done. To make it reflect across, select all the way like this and do Ctrl R. Can you see? Let's see if it's correct. Let's see. So let me make it reflect all across. Done. Select everything. Control arrow down. Control D to duplicate the results all the way down. So this is it. Is it correct? It is very correct. So this is how it is done. This is how it is done. So thank you for watching my video. I expect you to share this video and also like it. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. Thank you.